Hi friends, Marlene here from Uniquely Ella. I have a little journal flip that I want to show you today. I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately because I've been so busy with my shops. It's been crazy. But I've been watching. This is a little journal that I created, and before I mail it out, it already found her happy home. I'm going to just want to do like a quick little flip so I can show you. I really loaded her up. She is, her main pages are made out of chipboard. I want to start using some of my chipboard again because they're very sturdy, and I think they would make for great journal covers. And I have lots of them in different shapes, and I think that would make for cute little journals. So I'm on a mission to go through my stash and pick out the ones that I really like and work on them. This little journal I had already made, I had it made, and I used my cinch with the wire. Makes it really sturdy. This is not going anyplace. So I made it out of this, but what I did around the back is that I cover the wiring with just this really soft, buttery, it feels almost like silk, but it's not, it's cotton. And this came off a little girl's dress, like a vintage little one of those baptism dresses, and it's so pretty. So I just cover the coils with that. So in the back you don't get to see the coils or anything. In the front you do, and I think when I open it up you do, and I think it makes it kind of like interesting, you know. So I'm going to set it to music, and I'm going to show you all of it. I'm going to go to every page. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so enjoy. I hope you can find a little inspiration and get some ideas. I use paper collections. I use a lot of my authentic vintage Spanish ledgers, and I got a couple of new French books. So I use some of those authentic pages. I used a lot of digitals. This digital, the main digital that I used was from my spring collection of digitals that I did for last year. I can't get enough of this. I've done a couple of projects, but I still want to keep doing it. So I have some Ruby and Pearl here. I have some paper cameo, I think, and I have some raindrop Lila. So I kind of just used little bits that I had left, you know, in my tray, and that's how I put this together. I found these really cute little, I'm like in love with them. They're made out of wood, and I found a whole pack of them. They're really cute. Let me show you. I don't think, have I showed you this before? I don't know if I have. But I got them. Look how cute. I found them in a garage sale. I'm going to change the little tassel to like a neutral tassel, and I think I'm going to do it to wrap some of my ribbons or some of my trims that I really like, or for little gifts for my customers. I think that would be really nice, or even to tuck them into my fabric bundles with a little, I think that would be perfect for that. So that's why I got that in mind. And then when I got home, I was like, wait a minute, this will make for like a really good little bookmark for the little book markers for a small book. So all I did was change the top and just de-stress a little bit on the sides and just tuck it in wherever I could fit it. And then let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put you to music. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.